Hi, now we are going to see it's an important topic about C plane. What is C plane? What is T plane? What is G view? What is Z depth? And how what is G view? How these all are related to each other? This you should know. Without this fundamental knowledge, you cannot make the 3D wireframe model or 3D model itself. Now we'll make one small exercise uh, to understand this all options together. So I made one. I went to isometric. I drawing one block here. So one small rectangular block I made it. So this is my top view. This is my front view. I'll say isometric. This is the graphical view or G view. It is called the G view. So whatever you are seeing in the screen, it is the G view. That you can right click and change the view, whatever the G view you want. Okay. So this is nothing but the graphical view. Suppose you want to work on some particular face, maybe so in that situation, C plane is going to come in the play, come in the play. So where you want to construct, that is the C plane in the nothing but a construction plane. So 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 Z plane means Z depth means construction depth. So you should have a complete knowledge of construction depth and the construction plane. These two knowledge is important. So the T plane is always same plane. Okay, you no need to worry. WCS you no need to worry. When you are going for the multi-axis, that time WCS is going to come. So now we are not going to consider the WCS. Okay. Suppose I want to work on the front of the face. Okay. What to be done? First, you need to change your C plane to front. Then your Z you have to set it. Okay. So your I am going to keep on that face my Z. Okay. So it means that now it's on the zero only. So Z is showing zero. So from here means now C plane is front mean whatever I draw it is going to make it on the face of the front. Okay, you see I have made one line here and also I'll make some circle rectangle here. Okay, the sizes you can modify 20 width also. Okay, so now you can make a solid extrude or anything you can do it here. So more solid modeling anyway you are going to see, but to understand only I am just making. Okay. So this is how C plane and Z depth are related to each other. Suppose on right side I want to make one. There you can select some edge, or if you know the size you can give directly on the input. Otherwise you can select. So if you select automatically the data is inputted. Okay. So now I will draw one center line here. So suppose the center line why I need is because I need it on the center. Okay. So I made it diameter 10 now. Solid and extrude this. Okay. If you want to cut body through wall. So if you say through wall means the entire model is cut. Okay. So just rotate and see. So it has made now. So now I want to do something in the top. So what is to do? C plane is top, and my Z depth also I am going to keep at the top. Now on top I want to make some profile. Okay, one I will make one small so radius you can give. So now we can solid extrude. I'll say create body, add boss. So now I made it all three side different shapes. So if you want to make it at the back side, yes, we can. This is the front view, that is the back view. C plane back. Z you can keep it there on the back side. So now you can. So what? So now I am not considering G view. Wherever it is, only the C plane and Z depth important. G view is only for looking. That's all. Looking in the screen. How you want to look in the screen. So I will go solid circle. Some shape I just want to make here. So I took approximately and I draw one spline here. And you whether you want to solid extrude this. Okay. Okay. Only this two faces left and the bottom. So we'll see here uh, right side and means other side is the left side. Okay. C plane left. My Z I am going to keep it on that place. Okay. So even that viewing, if you want to change, you can keep entire thing left side. Okay. So now G view, C plane or left, both are left. Okay. So I will make a 4 circle on the 4 corner approximately. If you want exactly, you make it offsetting the edges and you can make it. Select 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So now you see back side also we have made. So now what is left out is the bottom. So I will go to again. So like this all six side you can make a different shapes, and so that by doing this exercise you will be clear about the Z depth and the construction plane. Okay, we say construction plane bottom is that you can keep it at the bottom. So just so you can change the G view also bottom. So you can make any shape here. Some letter I will write. Test one option. I just make. Size I will change it to 5 mm. Okay. Block font will make test. Okay. This also you can extrude it. Extrude this entire window because window is easy. So select it. Mm, direction we need to change opposite. Add boss. Some error it is showing. Again we'll try it. Solid. Extrude. Window chain. Otherwise individual chain also you can select what is wrong because I am thinking that it is taking the other unnecessary things. So that's the reason we have made it. So I want a little height only. So on 0.5 mm. Okay. So now I took one block and all six sides I made different shapes. Now I reset all C-plane top and VG view isometric. So all six sides I made different shapes. So this exercise if you able to do means, and you can do any solid model. So by this you will be clear what is G view and what is the construction depth and what is the C plane and what is the T plane, how these all are related to each other. These things you are be clear. Without this fundamental, you cannot do the 3D drawings. One thing I earlier told, C plane always equal to the T plane. Okay, so it means that C plane is equal to T plane means tool plane, means tool axis plane. So one thing you keep in mind, when you change your C plane, you have to change your Z depth. Okay, rotation, but for viewing you can rotate at any method by holding and rotating, and you can view in any method. Okay, so with this knowledge you can make any model. Okay, thank you.